Irtaza Syed. He used to work for CERN School Lab. He has a degree in computer science and has worked in places like Mercedes-Benz in Stuttgart, and recently joined Anaconda, where he's working as a software engineering doing Python programming.
So hello, I am Irtaza Syed, and I'm a full stack software engineer at Anaconda, Germany. And I just have one slide, so please don't be confused. This is the only slide you'll be seeing. So I'll start off with my master's degree program. You can see the timeline here from 2016 up to now. So in 2016, I started my computer science master's degree at the University of Applied Sciences in Karlsruhe, Germany. And here I acquired knowledge about the development of human-machine interfaces and web development, and also the design of UX, UI, as well as machine learning and data science were important parts of my studies. And during this time, I had the opportunity to spend a year at CERN as a technical student at the school lab department. I also did my master thesis here, where I developed a web interface to visualize radioactive particles that were captured by a particle detector. And this involved building a web interface in JavaScript and Angular and some data science in Python. And yeah, after my degree, I joined Mercedes-Benz in Stuttgart, Germany as a Java Backend Developer. And I was working at the financial services division, where we developed applications for customers relating, for example, leasing, financing, and renting of cars. And I was one of the first internal developers that were hired to transform a monolithic customer portal Java application into a microservice architecture. And the tech stack involved here was Spring Boot at first, and then later Quarkus with Java EE. And during the redesign of the architecture, one of my main tasks was to carve the functionalities from the old application into microservices. And yeah, the first version of the API launched in 2020, served like 9 European Mercedes-Benz markets with customer data and financial services endpoints. And I'm also able to do certifications for Java EE and Azure, which were part of the tech stack. And yeah, last year in July, I decided to move away from Java and try something different, because I've been doing Java since my studies. So I wanted to try something else. And what I was very interested in was Python and also front-end frameworks like Angular and React. So I started looking for full stack roles where I could pursue that and expand my knowledge in other fields of web development. And I found the company Anaconda that I was made familiar with during my studies and also my time at CERN. And many of you who have worked in data science might know Anaconda and their products like the Anaconda distribution, including the Anaconda Navigator or the systems packet manager called Conda. And besides that, there are also several cloud solutions. And you might also have heard of PyScript, which was recently launched, which is a framework that allows the user to create rich Python applications in the browser. And I use their products a lot, like Anaconda Navigator or Conda, during my studies. And Anaconda gave me the opportunity to take over a full stack role that I was fond of. And currently I'm working on Anaconda's on-prem server, which provides access to open source packages such as Conda, CRAN, and standard Python. And now I'm working or involved in creating the product's front end with Angular and the back end with Python. And yeah, it has been very interesting so far. I have learned a lot, and yeah, I'm also very happy with the change in my career. And yeah, that's it from my side. Sorry, I didn't post my show my LinkedIn username. I will post it in the chat, and you can contact me as well over LinkedIn.